Last time, you learned what a terminal is and how to use curl to reach something on the internet. Today, we use exactly that skill. One command, Skill Pilot, your AI employee, installed on your machine. Let's start. Step 1. Open your browser and go to Skill, Pilot. Eye on the home page, find the install command. It looks like this. Copy that command, open your terminal, paste it in, press enter. The installation begins. But here's what makes this installer different from anything you've used before. It doesn't just run silently in the background while you stare at scrolling text. It is a tutorial. Before every single installation step, it pauses. It shows you a screen that explains in plain English what this tool is, what it does, and why Skill Pilot needs it. Then it waits for you to press enter before continuing. This means you control the pace. If you just want Skill Pilot running as fast as possible, press enter, move on, you'll be done in a few minutes. If you want to understand every piece of what is being installed, slow down, read each screen. This is the foundation. If you are aiming to become an AI professional, read everything, take notes. Every concept the installer introduces is something you'll encounter again. So what does the installer actually set up? It starts with the foundation layer. If you are on a Mac, the first screen you'll see is about Xcode command line tools, Apple's free developer toolkit that everything else on macOS depends on. If you're on Linux or WSL, you'll instead see a screen about Linux build tools. Compilers like GCC and make that are needed to build software from source. Either way, after that foundation step, the screens are the same for everyone. Next comes Homebrew. Think of it as an app store for your terminal. It installs software without needing admin permissions, keeps everything clean and organized, and it is the standard tool most Skill Pilot agent skills rely on. Next is UV, a modern Python manager. Why Python? Because Python is the primary language of AI. Skill Pilot's core engine is built in Python, and most AI tools, API calls, and automation scripts are written in Python too. Then PnPm and Node.js. Node.js is the engine that runs JavaScript on your computer, rather than in a browser. Skill Pilot's web interface is built on Node. JS PnPm manages Node. JS packages efficiently, faster and lighter than the old approach. There is also tmux and ffmpeg. tmux lets you run tasks in the background from your terminal. ffmpeg handles video and audio processing. Skill Pilot's AI skills use both. Each of these steps shows you an explanation screen first, then waits for enter. After the foundation tools, something important happens. Skill Pilot connects to AI engines to do its work. Think of Skill Pilot as your AI employee, and the AI engines are what power it under the hood. Like a skilled worker who knows multiple tools, Skill Pilot can work with whichever engine you choose. The installer automatically sets up the most widely used AI engines available today. Claude Code, built by Anthropic. GitHub Copilot CLI from Microsoft and GitHub. OpenAI Codex CLI from OpenAI Google Gemini CLI from Google. And opencode, an open source AI coding tool. All of them have free plans. You can try each one and see which fits your workflow. Skill Pilot works with all of them. Now here is something important to know before you start. During installation, something might fail. A download might time out. A package might not install correctly. You might see a red error message. That is okay. Keep going. Here's why you don't need to worry. Once opencode is installed, you have a working AI right there in your terminal. No account required. No sign up. Open it and it works. And you can use it immediately to fix anything that went wrong during installation. After installation finishes, run this command. A chat window opens, just like talking to ChatGPT. But opencode can do more than answer questions. It can run commands, read files, and re-execute scripts for you. Tell it, some tools didn't install correctly. Please run install. Search again and fix the issues. It will analyze the situation and work through the fixes step by step. Before we wrap up, there is one step you cannot skip. After installation completes, you'll likely see a message telling you to reload your shell environment. What does that mean? Simply put, your terminal needs to know where the newly installed commands live on your machine. Without refreshing, you might type a command and get a command not found error, even though the installation succeeded. You have two options. Either run the source command, shown in the installer output, to reload your current terminal, or just close the terminal and open a new window. A fresh window automatically loads everything correctly. Either way, once that is done, all the installed commands are ready to use. Let's recap what happened today. You went to Skill, Pilot. I found the install command, copied it into your terminal, and pressed Enter. The installer walked you through setting up the full foundation the tool Skill Pilot needs to run, and then connected it to multiple AI engines, all with free plans available. If anything failed, opencode is your built-in repair assistant. After installation, you refreshed your shell environment so every command works. Skill Pilot is installed. Next time, we run it for the first time. We'll type Skill Pilot, Seesh, go through the initial setup, and your AI employee starts working for real. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who has been putting off getting started with AI. See you in the next one.